Hello guys, let's talk about we are going to see how to make a feedback form like this student feedback form. I have created it. Let me show you something amazing. Um, this is and this in this first and this second box you are seeing difference. This feedback detail name is showing like stylish. It's showing in style, and this is not showing in style. I will show you how to make it, and also this box and this ID section, this email address, and this type of section, also this form, and this also this how this text is showing after adding some alphabets. It's invisible and it's now visible. I will show you how to make it. Also this type of checkbox we are going to see how to make it in this video. So don't go anywhere. Let's start the video. Mm, This is I have covered you. I have told about it in my last video, previous video. So we are not going to talk about this. It's a header, commonly used for heading, and this is a main tag. We are we have added our main content in this main tag. I give a form ID like feedback form ID to feedback form named. Most important in feedback form is form tag, because without form tag we can't make feedback form. So let's talk. This is a action, like if we submit a feedback, the feedback will go to the this site, but it does not exist, so it will go none. Let's talk about this. Like this is a field set. What this tag can do, I will show you what it do. It do this, like you are seeing this field type line in the like box type line, but not a box. It's a field set. It comes from this tag field set. So note it down. And this heading student information, it's showing like this. Do you wanna see magic? Let's wait. I will show you something. We can just add a legend tag to show this in a stylish way. Wait a minute. No. um student student like we can add anything. We had like welcome. You can see guys, here is a welcome name in this. Yeah, so from the legend tag we can add something stylish in our field set, field. Yeah. And what the work of label tag, it label to the box, like here is an input box, and that type of box is text. So I will show you what it do. It's in first, yeah, here is a if we add an input box, it will create like this type of. If I delete this, sorry, this, fuck off man. If I delete yeah, this whole section, so it does not exist. Like if that do this work, as you get it. Oh, sorry. We get it back, and then what this can do. Like here is a student name, and its ID is also same, so it do nothing. And this required tag do that. If I don't fill anything in this, it shows to fill anything in this. Like I will try to submit the form. It shows please fill this field. Yeah. Required tag do that, and that is same for others. And also, how can we write email in our feedback form? It has something specific. mm, Let me show you. Here I have take it that, yeah, we have to add first. We start from input, and then we type equal to email, and then give its id, and then name, student name required. Then we can add email in our feedback form. Also input type text and id, and then this is feedback detail section. It's additional section. It is not required for the feedback form. These are the main content of feedback form. Meet you in next year.